I had a young client come in the other day, and she had received a ticket for using her cell phone while driving. And the law in the last few years has evolved. Of course, we all know that you shouldn't be calling on your telephone. They're certainly going to go and pull you over for that. Texting is a huge deal now. It's just crazy the number of problems that municipalities and police are having with texting, because different accidents and hit and runs are up, they believe, because of texting. So that is a big deal. But I don't think a lot of people know that the governor actually has given a directive to the state police that, of course, one of the priorities is seatbelt, but even larger than the seatbelt is the texting violation or using the cell phone. And recently there was a law change so that, yes, they kind of had to prove maybe, you're talking or texting. That's no longer the case. If you read the updated law, it is simply use. If you use your cell phone for anything, you are in violation. The particular case that I'm thinking about is that this particular individual had an alarm on their system. They weren't talking, they weren't texting, they weren't emailing, they weren't Googling, they weren't doing anything like that. It simply was an alarm. And that person happened to go and pick up the cell phone exactly when the trooper went by, and she received a ticket. And they do not like to go and negotiate on violations. Now, I was able to go and have an extremely good result negotiating on that particular ticket, but that is not always the case. This is very serious.